Okay, so this is my three patterns. So first, this is the denim one. So for the diffuse, I could either do lighten. I don't know what this one is. The inch. Oh, that one looks kind of weird. I could do more normal, but for the purposes of just wanting to see more of the denim, I did darkened only, just so I could see it more clearly. And I'm just gonna zoom in so y'all can see. Yeah, it looks pretty on point though. Let me see this one. And then the health phone pattern. I'm just showing y'all. I'm just going through it. Okay. So yeah, this was it for the denim pattern, and I'm just gonna show you how it looks on my croquis. So this is how it looks on my croquis. The blue denim. It honestly looks like a denim skirt. Oops. Edit, undo, move. It honestly looks like a denim skirt though. Okay. So next to the next pattern. So this one I really had fun with. The bleach pattern. I really had fun with that one. Let me just show y'all. Oh man. What's going on? Okay. So with the bleach pattern, I did it on top of the denim. So that's why I have like both displayed right now, but this is like if I take it off, if I put it back on. And I had a lot of fun with like the saturation with the bleach, but I really like the way it came out, honestly. Just wanted to see if I could show y'all something. I just want to see. So for this one, oh man, see, I can even do. So I already have this one here. Hold on. Okay, I already have this one in linear light, as you can see here. If I was to go normal, that's how it would look. But I really like the way the linear light one looked because it looked more like bleached jeans. So I really like the one that came out. I even did like like the saturation. Here, the box is right here. I could go different colors if I want to, but I didn't do it like that. But I do like the way that it came out for the bleach pattern. So let me just show you guys on my croquis. So this is how it came out on here. As you can see, I'm just gonna show y'all. Oh man, I don't know why I did that, but I just wanted to show y'all. I have like all my patterns here. I have the denim, the bleach denim, and the leather. So let me just press cancel. But yeah, but this is how it came out. So I really like the way that one came out. And then last but not least, here, let me just lock that one. So the leather. This one, I mean, the leather one, it honestly does look like leather, like just like the texture of it. Um, but I could even go back in with this one. Here. Oh, it's locked. So I could even go back in with this one, and I can make that one light. If I could do white leather if I wanted to, you know. So this one, the leather one didn't come out as bad, but I did mine like more on like the darker side, like black leather. I'm just gonna press OK. Let's see. And even with this one, I could change like like the even like the texture of it, but I feel like the more you do it in the pixels, the more it doesn't look like leather. It kind of looks like some different texture. So that's why I try to stay close to like 1 for the height. But this doesn't look bad. This actually makes it look more smoother for the amount. Yeah, this makes it look more smoother. Okay. But but yeah, guys, so this was my leather. I had fun with this as well. And I'm just going to show you guys on my croquis. So this is how it came out on my croquis with the leather. Alright, so that was my 3 patterns. Thank you guys for watching.